All right, so we're going to be replacing both of these upstream O2 sensors on this 13 GMC Sierra. One's here. The other one is right up here, so we can see. So what you're going to need is O2 sensor socket and a expensive snap-on flex head ratchet. Now you can use cheaper ratchets, but these work the best. So what we're going to do, we're going to pop this little green pull pin out of the clip like that. We're going to pull back on the tab. We're going to pop the connector off. Now, this does pop into a hard plastic clip that attaches through the fuel lines there. So we're going to grab a tool and pop that off. All right, now once you have that popped off from the plastic line up here, it's time to break loose the O2 sensor itself. So get your socket installed like that. You do have a sway bar down here you got to watch out for. And it should just break loose pretty easy. Take that off. And pull that one out. Now we're going to grab the new one and make sure that it matches up. So here's the new one. Laid side by side. And she matches up. So let's get her installed. Remember to take the little plastic cap off the threads there. She does have some anti-seize on the threads already. We're just going to twist her, let that harness just float around. Once she's on, we're going to take our ratchet and tighten her up. Now that she's tied in there, get her snug and then go about a quarter turn, half a turn. We're going to run it back up here. It does have a new little metal clip. Pushes right in, like so. Put that on and put that back up in there. I'll do that off camera. But yeah, definitely make sure that it's pushed in all the way and that this does go up in there. And you're going to do the same exact thing on this side for that one, which we might be able to access through our fender well a lot easier. All right, so the pigtail is going to be right up here in the fender well. And this little plastic piece will pop in to this little clip right here. This harness off the O2 sensor runs up into this little wiring clip here. So just pop the clip off. You'll be able to get your harness disconnected. You come up through here with your flex head ratchet and you'll be able to get that O2 broke loose. Now, if you don't have one of those shallow O2 sensor sockets, you get a deep one, you can get it from up top right there. So we're going to thread this out because we already broke it loose. Now that you have it out, you want to match it up again to your new one. Make sure it looks good. This one does. See, that's the other one for the other bank. And the difference, that is the deep well O2 sensor socket. So you might need that to get it out if you don't have the shallow one. You can get a nice kit off Amazon. I'll leave the item number in the description if you need to get a O2 sensor socket kit. But that is it. We're going to install this new one. Same as the removal process, just go backwards. We're going to get it screwed in, run it through that clip, pop it on, and call it. Remember to hit that like and subscribe.